Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account linkage and creating a backup so you can recover or verify ownership later. Open the row K client, then go to your profile and note the UID. This prevents mistakes. Once done, make sure any third-party logins, Facebook, Google, Apple, are visible so you can re-authenticate if needed. You should also check purchases and alliance ties now, because deletion removes progress and purchases. That's why you back up and confirm before proceeding. You then move into the settings to find account management, where the delete option lives. Follow on-screen prompts carefully. The game will ask why and may show irreversible warnings. Once you tap delete, complete identity checks, retype your password, enter 2FA codes, or confirm UID because the system needs to verify you own the account. After verification, the client may schedule a cooldown window that protects against accidental loss, which is why the extra steps exist. You must confirm the final warning to finalize deletion, read it, and accept that character data is permanently removed. After confirmation, wait for any cooldown or server processing, and then relaunch the app to verify the character is gone. If the deletion fails, make sure your internet connection is stable, confirm your account link and credentials, and then contact game support with your UID and screenshots. This troubleshooting step resolves most stuck deletions because support can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.